Coming our numbers chapter, all numbers means which is the smallest number, which is the greatest number, and which are the one digit numbers and which are the three digit numbers. First we counting the all numbers. First to learn the all numbers. So daily life you counting the rupees. డబ్బులు ఎంత కౌంట్ చేస్తుంటాం కదా డైలీ. మనీ ఎట్లా కౌంట్ చేస్తారన్నా 1 రూపీ 2 రూపీస్ 3 రూపీస్ 5 రూపీస్ లైక్ దట్. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ I am giving 10 rupees note here and beside 150 rupees note is there. Money. మనీతో కౌంట్ చేస్తాం కాబట్టి మనీతో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. Now it is very easy. Now I am taking some simple numbers, large numbers. Not only one digit, two digits. I am taking greatest digit numbers. Greatest digit numbers I am taking here. Then see here. If for example I am taking 1, 5, 6, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here I am taking 1, 5, 6, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. Here also I am taking 7 digits. Here I am taking 7 digit number. Here also taking 7 digit number. Now I am asking, in this one, which is the biggest one? In this one, in this two, which is the greatest and which is the smallest? అంటే ఈ రెండు నెంబర్లో ఏది పెద్దది ఏది చిన్నది చూడండి. ఏది పెద్దది ఏది చిన్నది. సో your identification is somewhat, it is a difficult one, but I am giving the simplest method. What that means? Just listen on the board. Just see on the board, Nana. Just 10 rupees note is there, Nana. Here 11 rupees is there. Otherwise 12 rupees is there. Means 10 rupees only one note. 10 rupees is only one note. Here 12 rupees means 10 rupees plus 2. Change 1 rupee 2 coins, otherwise 2 rupees coin 1. So I am asking which is the larger amount here. So you are simply saying, sir, this one only. Yes, that is only. Why? Because this is the biggest one and it is the smallest one. In case in numerically I am writing here 12 and 21. I am not mentioning the rupees. These are not rupees. Just to think about, it is the rupees. It is the 12 rupees and I am reversing order of it is the 21 rupees. Which is the biggest one means? You are simply say this is which one is this one is the greatest one. Why? Because you are thinking about daily life situations. Daily life లో మనం మనీ కౌంట్ చేస్తుంటాం కాబట్టి you are saying simply, sir, this is 12 is the smallest and 21 is the greatest. Okay, very good. One digit, two digits numbers, you know, and daily you are counting the money and something, whatever it is. So rupees and it is the 21 rupees. So you are simply say, sir, it is the biggest one. Why? Because daily you are counting the money and వేరే వేరే కౌంట్ చేస్తుంటారు కాబట్టి you are simply say, sir, 12 is the smallest, 21 is the greatest. Okay, it's very good, very nice. And at the same time I am giving not 1 2 digit numbers. I am giving at the same time 5 digits or 6 digits. In this two, which is the smallest and which is the greatest? Simply say, already you know 1 to 10 numbers already you know. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. After 10, just observe these two. In this first one 1. In this first one is first 1. In this also 1. Okay, there is no change. In this 5 is there. In this also 5. Okay. In this third one is a 6. In this also third one is 6. Okay. In this fourth one is a 4. In this fourth one is 2. Consider. First 3 are same. But fourth place వచ్చేటప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 2. Now compare these two. Which is the greatest? 1 2 3 4. So it is the greatest. So in these two numbers, which is the greatest or not? This one only greatest. 1, 5, 6, 4, 2, 3, 4 is greatest and it is the smallest. Automatically that is the smallest number. Are you understood? Is it clear? Here I am giving the only two numbers now. This is one, this is also one. Only two. Next class means after wrapping this, I am giving the more than two or three. అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 ఇచ్చాం కదా, I am giving the 2 or 3 numbers. Now we only say which is the smallest and means చిన్న నుంచి పెద్దగా అన్ని రాసుకుంటూ రావాలి. See here, first 1, తర్వాత 2, తర్వాత 3 ఇట్లా రాసుకునేసాక ఇక్కడ కూడా arrange the order here. Okay, up to here it is okay. Identify the first digit. 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay. All 4 numbers, one is a common. First one is a common. Next to compare by second. Here 2, here also 2, but here 1. Here also 2, but it is the smallest. In that 3 numbers having 2, 2, 2, but here only taken given 1. So it is the smallest. So smallest one I am writing here. What is the smallest number? 1, 1, 6, 4, 3. And in that I want the greatest. What is the greatest number out of 4? So it is over. Smallest one is completed. Then you are going to greatest. Here remaining 3 are there. Out of 3, which is the greatest? So out of 2, third digit is 5, third digit is 7, third digit is 4. So here 4, here 7, here 5. Compare by 3, 4, 7, 5. Which is the greatest? 7 only. Then we are greatest number is this one. 1, 2, 7, 2, 9. It is the smallest and it is the greatest. Is it clear? Exercise 1.1. First bit, first question and third question I am taking here. Then in this, compare this one now. In this first one, 1, 1, 1. So in that all numbers, 1 is the same. Next, compare by 2. Second 5, 5, 5. Third digit here 4, here 8, here 4. In this 8, in this 3, in this 5. So you take 4, 8, 3, 5. So out of these 4, single digits, not a larger number. Out of 4 digits, 4 numbers, which is the small greatest? 5, 3, 5, 4. ఏది పెద్దదన్నా? 8. So this is the greatest. So right here, greatest is equal to 1, 5, 8, 9, 2. Okay, 8 పెద్దది కాబట్టి 8 రాస్తాం. Which is the smallest? 4, 8, 3, 5. Out of this 4 low, which is the smallest? 3. Then smallest is equal to 1, 5, 3, 7, 0. It is completed of first one. Next I am going to explain third one. So in here also greatest and smallest. What is the greatest? Greatest అంటే పెద్దది. ఏది పెద్దది? చాలా పెద్దది ఉన్నది గ్రేటెస్ట్ అన్న. చిన్నది అన్నదని స్మాలెస్ట్ అన్న. ఆల్రెడీ మీకు తెలిసిందే. చూద్దాం. Greatest 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Second digit. In this 4, in this also 4, in this also 4, in this also 4. First two digits are same. So go to third digit. It is 6. It is 6. It is also 6. It is also 6. Third digit also same. Next going to fourth digit. Here 8. Here 4. Here 8. Here 4. Different వచ్చినప్పుడే రాసిన పైన. Here 7. In this 0. Now compare. Which is the greatest? ఏది పెద్దదన్నా? 0 పెద్దదా? 7 పెద్దదా? 4 పెద్దదా? 8 పెద్దదా? 8 is the biggest. So write the greatest number. This total 4, 4, 6, 8, 7. And out of 4, which is the smallest? 0 is the smallest. Then write 4, 4, 6, 0, 2. Is it clear for everyone? Compare the first digit means 3, 1, 3, 1, 7, 4. So it is the greatest. Okay. In this situation it is right, but first count down how many digits are there. How many digits are there in that question? First 1, 2, 3 is a 3-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, it is a 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-digit number. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number. So, in this, which is the 3-digit number? Digits first count cheyali. So, this is smallest 375. Next 4-digit number. It is 4-digit, it is also 4-digit. Who is that? This is also 4-digit. This is also 4-digit. Then first compare the first digit 4. In this first digit is 4. In this first digit 1. In this first digit 4. So first one is which one? One only 1475. Then 4713. And this is only greatest. Why? Because 5-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is only greatest number. So I am writing this one is a ascending order. Small to big. Small to big. This is ascending order. Is it clear? Is it clear? Write the numbers in descending order. Already I said ascending means small to big. Descending means big to small. పెద్ద నుంచి చిన్నకు వచ్చేదాన్ని డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఉంటుంది. థర్డ్ బెట్ డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ మీన్స్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ టు స్మాలెస్ట్, అంటే పెద్ద నుంచి చిన్నకు రాసే వాటిని డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటారు. స్మాలెస్ట్ మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ కౌంటింగ్ ద డిజిట్స్. 1, 2, 3 ఇది 4-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4 it is 5-digit number. It is also 5-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5-digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 5 digits. So it is 4-digit number. Then it is only smallest. Limit. మనకి ఏం కావాలి? బిగ్గెస్ట్ టు స్మాలెస్ట్, అంటే పెద్ద నుంచి చిన్నకి కావాలి. దెన్ ఫస్ట్ డిసైడ్ ద విచ్ ఇస్ ద గ్రేటెస్ట్. ఇట్ ఈస్ 5-digit. It is 5-digit. It is also 5-digit. First compare by first digit 8. In this 4, in this 8. So 4. So compare by these two. Second digit is 9. In this second digit is 9. In this third digit is 7. In this third digit is 2. So which is the greatest? 7 or 2? So 7 is the biggest. So it is the first one. It is the second one. And it is the third one. And it is the fourth one. Now order me right. 8, 9, 7, 1, 5. 8, 9, 2, 5, 4. And third one 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. And fourth finally 1, 8, 7, 6. It is the descending order of the given question. మనకి ఇచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కి ఇది డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే. ఓకేనా? Fill in the blanks by replacing of less than or greater than. This symbol is less than. It is greater than. Okay na? What is it? It is the less than, it is a greater than. Okay na? Left side, right side unte greater than. Arrow. Just image this is the arrow. This is greater than, just arrow. This right side symbol means greater, peddadi. Left side is there means that is smallest. It is the 4-digit, it is the 5-digit. Okay na? 4-digit to 5-digit number. So which is the greatest? This is the greatest. It is the smallest. So first one is the smallest. Smallest symbol is this one. And see this 4-digit number, 4-digit number, but 4, 4, 8, 8, 9, here 6. Which is the greatest? This one. So use this symbol, greatest. Greatest symbol. And this one. 99, 99, 4, 4 also same. Here 5, here 4. It is the greatest. Greatest symbol. greater than. Then here 1, 1, 4, 4, 5. Here 4. 5 or 4? 5 is the greatest. Is it clear? First one, they are given 72642. Then ones, tens, 100, comma 1000, 10,000. So test 10,000 means 72,642. Just how you read? మీరు ఎట్లా చదువుతున్నారో అదే చదవడం ఇక్కడ స్పెల్లింగ్స్ లో రాయాలి అంతే. 72,642. 642. Clear? Like that. 40,270. 40,000. 40,270. 70. This is only answer for that one. Second one, 14,000. 14,064. Means thousands are not there, just it is a 64. Are you understood? 4-digit numbers with the digits 4, 0, 7, 3, 7 and find which is the greatest and which is the smallest among them. Means they are given 4, 0, 3, 7. Out of the 4 digits, write the greatest number and smallest. How to write the greatest number? In this 4, which is the greatest? 7. Next biggest 4. Next biggest 3. And last one is 0. Next smallest means write in reverse order. 0, 3, 4, 7. So left side zeros are invalid. So your answer is 347. Clear? When they are asking greatest and when they are asking the smallest means greatest always in nines లోనే ఉంటుంది, smallest always zeros లోనే ఉంటుంది. అంటే smallest 1 digit is smallest 2 digit. 2 zeros, sorry, 1 0. 2 digits are there asking means keep 1 0 1. 3 digits are there means keep 2 zeros 1. 3 digits అడిగితే 2 zeros పెట్టాలి, ఒక 1 పెట్టాలి. 5 digits are there, 4 zeros, 1 2 3 4, keep 1. 5 digits smallest number. So this one greatest 2 digit number. Greatest 2 digits 9. How many digits are asking the greatest? That much of 2's. I am taking the 6th digit greatest. 6 digits greatest number means 9 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 9 6. Sorry, 6 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. How many digits of greatest number they are asking? That much of 9 you can write here. I want 5 digits of greatest number means 5 digits of greatest number means 1 2 3 4 5. Is it the greatest 5 digit number? Is it clear?